So guys, today I want to teach you how you could DCA in the market. So I'm going to be using $1 to practice this. All right. To DCA is very simple. For instance, I said the market will short. Okay, let me just use $1 for it. Okay, you see where I was drawing. I believe if you check my other video, you should know how to set your work. So this is it, and I said I want to short this video, that is to sell. All right, this trade. Now if I click short and suddenly the thing begins to go up, look here, I'm at minus 125, so I cannot wait for it to go very far before we do the DCA. So what it simply means, since it's like this, it simply means, wow, I mean that the money is going DCA, dollar cost average, this market, so that it will take you a bit closer to the point it is. Look at it as 24.140. So the market is longing. The market is longing. So what I just need to do now is to come here again on this purple button I used to draw, like this purple button, drag it. Let's just say you can drag it to, I use 0.8, so let me just say 0.5 or 0.8 again. Did you get? So I will now use it to DCA again. So I'm coming, this is 1.4. Okay, so you click on the same thing. Remember, you are not supposed to set your stop limit and your take profit. If you have set it, you have to come here and delete. You have to click here. You have to delete your stop loss. You have to delete your stop loss and your take profit. Delete it and set a new one again. That is just it. You have to delete it, click it, delete it, and set a new take profit and stop loss again. Anytime you DCA, that's what you will do. Click on another one, let's say 10%, and here let's say minus 10%. So anytime you DCA, you need to use a new stop loss again. So when you are done, you confirm. All right, I'm coming. Let me set it again, please. Sorry. So you put 10%, then you come here, you still also change it again to by yield, then you put another, you use minus 10%. Okay, then you click confirm. Now when you have clicked confirm, that is it. So what I've just done is to DA. So I want to end this trade now. Okay, I only did it to show you guys some things here. So I want to end my trade, liquidate. So that is just all. So you see, I was able to meet up profit on time because I did what I DCA. So I was able to meet profit on time, and that was just as simple as ABCD. I just have 1% profit, 1.68. So I bought at, initially it was, I bought at 120 something. So because I DCA, it brought it to 116 and 0.19, so 24116. Okay, so now it's 24102. So guys, that is a simple way to DCA and come out in profit. You must go in the same direction. Okay, the same direction. Thanks guys, God bless you.